Yo, AV Academy, it's your boy Avery B. Peak Gang. Today's video, I'm gonna have a quick little segment on how you can make money right away off social media. I know a lot of people kind of spin it in a way where you gotta be this big influencer, this big creator in order to make some money on social media, but that's simply not true. And at the end of me talking, I'm about to give y'all a real life example of somebody who was just on my community call who has made over $40,000 in less than 6 months doing something that's just outrageous, what I'm about to tell y'all right now. And it's just crazy to see, bro. It's crazy to hear. I'm gonna put that on the end of this. I'm not gonna obviously not gonna include the whole call because it's an AB Academy Saturday call. We have those every Saturday. If y'all want to tap in, make sure you click the link in the description. But I'm gonna play a little snippet just so y'all can peep the vibe. It's my boy George. Shout out George. Appreciate you for coming in on the community and explaining your experiences with the influencer affiliate program. You feel me? I'm still new to it, bro. But I read George's ebook. I listened to George, and George put me down, and George made me some money already. I literally just signed up the way he wanted me to and put it in my link, and it made me some money. It's my first time ever trying the Amazon influencer program, and it worked. You feel me? But George, he makes a lot of money from it, and he is an interesting influencer. I don't want to say too much because I want you to hear him, and I want you to actually come to the academy so you can watch the full video. The full video is literally an hour long of game. If you was in the call, you got a lot of game from George, man. So shout out to you. But I'm basically going to paraphrase it for the YouTube audience on how to exactly make money right away on YouTube. So I'm going to break it down in 3 steps, man. Step number 1 is choose your niche. This could be anything. George's niche is furniture. Your niche could be literally anything, bro. Whatever you like, whatever you want to do in life, bro, make that your niche. You feel me? It could be furniture. It could be notebooks. You feel me? Whatever you like that other people would like. It could be shoes, bro. It could be anything. But step number 1 is choose your niche. Step number 2 is find your influencer program. It's a lot of them out there. George's preferred way is Amazon influencer, bro. And number 3 is create engaging content. I didn't say viral content. I said engaging content. Engage content, bro. Like, bro, engage with your audience that makes them want what you have. You feel me? George has nice furniture. He puts it in a way where you would be like, oh, that's very nice. If you got some nice shoes, record your shoes and make it be like, oh, that's nice. And then put your links at the bottom of it. That's where the influencer, Amazon influencer affiliate program come in. Put your links in the back of it, in the back end of it. When they click it, you get paid. So without further ado, I'm trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, condense it real small, real short, because AB Academy, they be getting mad at me because I be putting y'all on game and y'all be getting free game. You feel me? And they pay for this game. So I always give free game, but if you want the game that's gonna make you some of this, make sure you click the link in the description. Now, let George tell y'all a little bit of what he want to tell y'all. If y'all want to see what George really want to say, click the link in the description. Yeah. Now we looking at a master at work. Put us down, man. Tell us what's going on, bro.
About like 2 or 3 years ago, I was living with my parents. I didn't make that much money, but within the last year, I've been able to completely transform my life. Like I've been able to do all of this, firstly from posting on social media, but mainly from the Amazon influencer program. And I've been able to make a little bit over $40,000 in the past 6 months. This past month, I was able to clear $20,000. So all in all, I've been able to completely transform my life all from this program. I always envisioned myself making a lot of money, and I just didn't know how to. And there's a bunch of ways to get money, as y'all all know. And making money online is, I always thought it was a scam, honestly, just because I'd never done it, and my parents ain't never do it either. But you can do this with pretty much anything. What I did it with was home decor stuff, just because I've always been able to like decorate and shit. And I don't know, y'all could probably do something similar to what I'm doing, but I would say choose something that you are really good at, and that like even if you didn't get paid money for doing, like you would be okay with just like posting. And then once you get good at that and making content, then whatever you're using, like say if you fuck with cars or something. I'm sorry if I can't cuss. Sorry, but
Nah, do your thing, bro.
yeah. So say like if you're a car guy, I would just post like car content all the time. And as you amass people that follow you, then I would be like, here's what I put in my interior and stuff like that. And then I would link into my Amazon storefront. From this, like I've been able to get brand deals. that pay me like literally thousands of dollars every month.
And then I followed you, bro, and you was like, "Damn, I watch your shit." I'm like, "Bro, your room hard. I'm
Maybe,
about
bro,
to
I'm
move out."
telling you, life is so crazy. And sorry to cut you off, but full
Now you
full
good.
circle moment. About 2 years ago, when I was living in my parents' house, I swear to God, I was watching you on YouTube, and I was thinking like, damn, bro lives a life like I really wish that like I could just live that life. And I would always watch you too, and like that inspired me. So it's like any of y'all that's in here, like no matter where you are, like you can be anywhere you are in life. Just always be inspired by other people because you'll never know. Like now I'm talking to Avery here, like I'm
100%, bro.
talking to y'all about this. Like it's crazy as hell.